ಶೋಕಾಸ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೆನಲ್ಟಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
No, my lords, that is the law, my lords.
Let me be the law. You tell me what becomes of it.
No, my lord, the reason my lord says.
You may impose, sir. I'm not on that in accordance with law.
Please.
He's a peon attender, ah?
No, he's the
Cabin
cleaner.
cleaner,
He is
ma'am.
the person who.
Cabin cleaner.
Who's the? He is the
He was
cabin
a cabin
cleaner.
cleaner, staff, my lord.
He is the cabin.
Janitor, ah?
Cabin
cleaner.
cleaner. my
Cabin
lord.
cleaner.
All right, he is a cabin cleaner. Now you impose heavy penalty on him. Where you should catch hold of the person.
My lords, I come to that.
Last
What
hearing,
happened?
throat infection.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Kodama.
ಥ್ರೋಟ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ?
Sorry, my lord.
ಹ್ಮ್.
My lords, last date, my lords, my learned friend, my lords, presented a filmy style of Modus
Filmy
operandi, my
style,
lords. Please, my lords,
ಅಯ್ಯೋ.
page number 25, my lords.
Hmm.
Everywhere, my lords, he's a suspected accused.
ಹ್ಮ್.
Everywhere. The year 2025, my lords, 27.
ಅದೇ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್
Please, my lords,
ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್
gold was
Airport.
recovered from the vehicle.
ಹ್ಮ್.
The recovery says that he was suspected. Nowhere in the recovery report says that the gold was recovered from this accused.
ನೋ ಜೀಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು.
Jeep, my lords, in the year 2025, now we are in the year 2026. No charge sheet has been filed.
They'll
No
file, sir.
video, no CCTV footage has been
ಸರ್
recovered.
ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ CCTV ಫುಟೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ?
My lords, Jeep was standing outside. That is a contention of my learned friend, my lord. Jeep was standing outside, my lords. The gold was recovered from the Jeep. My lords, my lords, this allegation says, my lords, one mastermind, Mohan, called the accused 2 days prior. That, my lords, they are aware that they called me. But in the
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು
FIR,
ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
illa sole accused. But, my lords,
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
No, I.
2025, my lords,
ಹಾ.
2025.
ಹ್ಮ್.
My lord, your lordship was kind.
2015 ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ.
Your
25
lordship
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
were kind enough to direct them to produce the reports, my lords, what has happened.
They have not produced, huh?
No, my lord.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
I'll explain.
Yes.
Let him finish.
ಹ್ಮ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Please, my lord.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹ್ಮ್.
Lordship, I don't know if I can tell.
ಹೇಳಿ.
No, my lords, this is a matter.
It should be known.
No, my lords,
Yes.
this is a matter involving. This is
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ
a
ಇಲ್ಲ.
matter involving smuggling of gold, which is a very unique way. What they do, my lord says, in this 29/6/2025, the flight Saudi Arabian Airlines, which starts from Jeddah, comes to Bangalore. Now, my lords, in below 39A, the seat number, they put the 2 gold bars. Supposedly, it looks like it's a reconnaissance mission. If it succeeds, they wanted to do the entire further things. Now, my lords, once the plane lands, now, my lords, the passengers go, and after the passengers go, lordship, the cleaning staff goes and cleans the aircraft. While cleaning the aircraft, my lords, this person, the petitioner, gets a call 2 days before from one of the persons called as Mohan Kumar, who earlier was working in the airport, where, my lords, he directs him to go to seat number 39A and take that gold and to get it out of the ferry, it out of the airport. Now, the modus operandi, my lords, is what happens is he takes the gold out of 39A, and, my lords, in order to mask it, they put a gray color cover, my lords. What happens is it gets masked, and what they do, my lords, is that he puts it in the garbage cover, gets down, puts it in the garbage van. Now, my lords, what happens, my lords, is that the airport operations inside the airport, my lords, there are 2 layers of security. One is with regard to the CASF and the customs. CASF will see from the point of view of security, whereas we look from the point of view of contraband, etc., and also with regard to the duty. Plus, what they do is their operations is that they want to ferry this vehicle out of the exit area where the customs is not there, because the ಕಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ. That is the modus operandi which has been adopted here. Now, my lords, during this operations, my lords, the petitioner takes it off, puts it in the bag, and that bag is thrown into a vehicle. At that point of time, the driver of that vehicle asks him, "What is this bag?" And also one of his cleaning staff also, what is this bag? And then he accepts, yes, this is what it is. One person by the name Mohan Kumar, who was earlier working, has told me this to be taken off. And then, my lords, they called immediately the supervisory staff and also the senior manager of what is this? The Air India such. Then what happens, my lords? They come, they not apprehend him, they ask him, and my lords, along with the gold, they come to a particular area where we have been informed. It's a fact. Now, my lords, at that point of time, my lords, we come and take him into the we ask questions, and Mahazars also starts. Now, my lords, during this procedure, my lords, there's some delay because of the, my lords, we were not aware of it at that point of time. But, my lords, we cannot go, and one of the arguments also made, my lords, is we have to go to the flight. My lords, we can't hold a flight, though we can seize a flight. It's a different issue. Now, my lords, because of this, my lords, we cannot hold a flight. Flight would have gone. We got to know about this, and, my lords, we have taken statements under section 108, my lords, which is admissible in evidence. In these circumstances, my lords, this is the reason why the law is framed like that, my lords. We take a statement under section 108, which is admissible in evidence, and we have taken statements of the co-workers and also of the supervisory staff, and we have taken the CCTV footage of bay number 39, 163, where this activity was going on. And therefore, my lords, this is the modus operandi, one of the unique modus operandi, my lords, has been taken place. And, my lords, now they have questioned, now, my lords, the show cause notice. Now we have issued show cause notice. What happens,
My lords, I am sorry to
wait.
interrupt, my lord.
Wait,
This is not
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
This is not a
1 minute.
questioning of show cause
ಆಯ್ತು,
notice.
you questioned the entire proceedings. Wait, sir.
Yes, my lord.
Correct, don't worry.
Now, my lords, there are two things. Every time the petitioner is confused with regard to the proceeding, the adjudication proceedings as well as the prosecution proceedings. Now, my lords, by law, in terms of 110 subsection 2 read with 124, I am constrained to issue a show cause notice in case of a seizure for recovery of penalty. And, my lords, this is a gold bar. Gold bar is a prohibited item. Gold bar being a prohibited item, my lord, there is no question of duty payment. It is only penalty which we levy. Therefore, my lords, in terms of 110 subsection 2 read with 124, we issued a show cause notice, which I am constrained to issue a show cause
To
notice.
whom?
To the person who is
To this,
the petitioner.
After the filing of this present petition, my
1
lords.
minute.
To the petitioner, because that is the law. We have to issue within 6 months. Now, my lords, with regard to,
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ show cause notice ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
now, my lords, I have to risk it. The penalty is to be annulled because, my lords, if
ಅಲ್ಲ,
my lords were to-
ಆಯ್ತು, show cause notice ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ penalty ಹೆಂಗ್ impose ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
no, my lords, that is the law, my lords.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Anyone,
that may be the law. You tell me what becomes of it.
no, my lords, the reason, my lord says,
You may impose, sir. I'm not on that in accordance with law.
please.
He's a peon attender, ah?
No, he is the
Cabin
cleaner.
cleaner,
He is
ma'am.
the person who,
Cabin cleaner.
who is the, he is the
He was
cabin
a cabin
cleaner.
cleaner, staff, my lord.
He is the cabin
Janitor, ah?
Cabin
Cabin
cleaner.
cleaner.
my
cabin
lord.
cleaner.
All right, he is a cabin cleaner. Now you impose heavy penalty on him. You should catch hold of the person.
I am, my lords. I come to that. my lords.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? You go to the route and see who is behind it. ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
understand,
ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
I understand. my lords.
Then-
I am.
What will happen to, what will you get out of a cabin cleaner even if you want to impose penalty? Gold is not his, he may have facilitated its
Therefore,
transport.
that facilitation procedure. lordship.
Facilitation proceeding ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರ penalty ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. Who is behind it, you should see.
Please, my lords.
Without
Lords,
doing
based
that,
on
what do you
that-
do with him?
No, my lords. That is the law, my lords. Whether, my lords, even for facilitation, the law is such stringent in customs, my lords. 135.
I agree,
Please,
sir.
ma'am.
Even for
Sir,
facilitation,
the
you have
investigation
to.
is still on, my lords. It's not.
That is what
not-
I'm telling.
not
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ
ended.
penalty impose ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ನಾಗ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ
No, no,
ಆಮೇಲೆ?
no, my lords, it's not way. No, my lords, only by the cause of
ಎಷ್ಟು, how many kilos?
2 kgs.
2 kgs
2
gold.
kgs gold bar, that is 2 kgs, 1.99, it's a 24 karat gold. Now, my lords, after that, my lords, what we have apprehended, we seized his phone and get to know that one of the earlier persons who were working in the airports. Now, my lords, we went to we did a search operations, everything, he's been absconding. And my lords, by law, my lords, we are to file a prosecution proceedings in terms of section 135 after filing a prosecution complaint.
All right.
Now, my lords, that is still pending, investigations are going on.
Hmm.
In the meanwhile, with the adjudicatory proceedings, my lord, since he has been apprehended and also arrested, my lord, he is on bail. For him, we are given up a penalty. That doesn't mean to say that we are not pursuing the case against
Yeah,
all
that is
others.
what, if you hold him and finish it off,
No, no,
what
my
will
lords,
you get?
No, my lords, he is the person, my lords, as of now, my submission is lordship. I will, so the documents are there, my lords, I will produce before
Pudi.
this honorable court.
Yes, Avinash.
My lords, page number 25, my lords.
I mean, that's one submission. That's what they have asked now is, my lords, they have put the show cause notice and sought for staying the entire proceedings.
Correct.
That's wrong, my
ಅದೇ
lord.
ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು.
Please, my lords.
Procedurally,
My
it's
lords,
wrong.
May I be at liberty to take your lord's attention to prayer, my lords? My lords, prayer is purely with respect to the quashment in crime number 28 of 2025. No show cause notice, my lords.
There's no prosecution complaint filed at all.
My lords, here, my lords, 21 page number, annexure A. This is a complaint, my lords,
The remand application.
remand application, my lords. Whereas my learned friend just now argued that they have recovered phone from me, my lords. Page number 25, I may be pleased to take your honor, lordship, to page number 25, annexure B. Whereas seizure memo is only with the respect of 2 gold bar, not from the accused. No phone in this seizure memo. From there, they sorted out that I got a WhatsApp call from one Mohana who was an ex-employee, my lords. Moreover, my lords, if the allegation is said to be true, my lords, this many days, my lords, they were quiet. Now they have come with a different story of saying that gold bar was thrown to the vehicle, the bar was seized from the vehicle. What is this, my lords?
What is this? Investigations.
My lords, this many days, my lords, this many days. my lords.
ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತೇನು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬಾರ್.
True. Please, my lords, they, if at all they are very concerned of this, my lords, they should have investigated how the gold bar have come to
I
the
did not say how
aircraft.
it is to be
You
investigated.
can't dictate how
Please,
investigation
I'm-
should.
Please,
very
I'm
well
not,
knowing how it is to
I'm
be done.
nowhere concerned with dictation of the investigation proceedings, my lords.
Yes.
My concern is this, my lords.
Your concern will take care. Sir.
Please, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, my only submission, my lords,
documents.
is that, my
Records
lords,
ಕೊಡಿ.
my lords, this is one of the modus operandi, my lords. After
Records
this,
ಕೊಡಿ sir.
May I have that liberty to?
No sir. Investigation
Please,
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ sir?
Please, my lords.
Yes sir.
my lords, if I may submit, my lords, for a moment. Now, after this modus operandi, my lords, there's another modus operandi, what not the, because airports,
MO2.
my lords, they bring it in a trolley. They affix a bar. I mean, lords, now recently we have arrested a person who brought the gold in a form of a gold paste in the underwear, 5 layers, because that is non-detectable under the metal scanner. So, my lords, this is only a reconnaissance mission, what they do.
Gold
for-
toothpaste.
So gold paste. they
Paste.
put, because gold paste is not susceptible to the metal scanner. So, my lords, these are all reconnaissance mission where they will do not.
Law is not dynamic sir.
My lords,
ಅದೇ ತರ breakers of law are also not dynamic.
and my lords, for a moment, my lords, in 2018,
Are
my lords,
dynamic,
we
sorry,
had
not dynamic. They are dynamic, yes.
2018, my lords, in fact, in some similar circumstances with regard to export of currency, we had seized our aircraft. My lords, we cannot go to that extent because, my lords, we cannot do a spot merger also at times because, my lords,
So,
the flight
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
would have already taken
ಈಗ
off.
10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಈ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ law is not static, it is dynamic, it moves on. ಹಂಗೆ modus also moves on.
In fact, this is precisely, my lords, why the law has given us a statement to be taken which is admissible in evidence as against a 161 statement. Because, my lord, the modus operandi every day it varies. I mean, it's very difficult, my lords, to even find out such things because by the time we go to the flight, my lords, the flight is already not there because it is already taken off for the next.
ನೀವು ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದೇ 2
ಮತ್ತೆ
2 hours ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ unless and until we have a critical intel with regard to these operations are going on ಅಂತ. So, my lords, in my respect, my submission is, my lords, let the investigations go on, my lords. We'll file a prosecution
see.
complaint.
We'll see whether heard reserved, yes.
Kindly. Obliged.
Grateful, my lords.
But you